Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a simple but full of flavor dish called spicy spaghetti. This recipe is so delicious and it's so easy to put together. Let's get started. Start out with a large pot of boiling water to cook our noodles in. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil to it. And add 1 pound of spaghetti noodles. While your noodles are cooking, let's get started on the spaghetti sauce. In a separate pot, add 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Then add 2 medium onions finely diced. We're going to saute our onions till they have become golden in color. After your onions look like this, go ahead and add 1 pound of ground beef and 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of allspice. You want to saute your beef until it is fully cooked. Then add 3/4 of a cup of tomato paste and 1/3 of a cup of hot pepper paste. And I always prefer using Tazah brand tomato and pepper paste. After adding the tomato and pepper paste, you want to cook it in the butter and add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. And you want to saute it for about 5 minutes or so. Reserve about 1/2 cup to 3/4 of a cup of your pasta water and drain the rest. Add your pasta in and add a little bit of water as you need it. If you feel like it's too dry, you can add some of that pasta water. Add your pasta and mix it all together. And your spicy spaghetti is ready to serve. Serve with a side of garlic bread and top it off with chopped parsley or chopped basil. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.